They may be served in many tempting ways. California oranges are firm-meated, easy to peel and section. With a sharp knife, remove all skin and white inner covering. Cut on each side of the dividing membrane so that sections may be easily lifted out. This all-orange salad, a winter or summer fresh fruit favorite, brings more vitamin C to the table. A 3-salad plate makes a tempting, balanced main course for a meatless meal. This one includes potato salad in a pepper ring, egg and cucumber salad, and a pear stuffed with cream cheese and nuts, circled by orange slices. As good to eat as to look at is this novel orange and meat salad bowl. Serve as a buffet main course. Be sure greens are crisp. Again, color, flavor, freshness in this fruit salad bowl of peach, pear, raspberries, and orange. Wholesome natural fruit sugars make it a pleasing dessert salad. Lemon juice is a natural, ever-ready-to-serve salad dressing, good on lettuce, with or without sugar or salt. Lemon juice is the preferred tart flavor to give both freshness and zest to all salad dressings. Lemon French dressing, oil, lemon juice, salt, sugar, paprika, puts this combination vegetable salad into the higher brackets of good eating. A salad secret, well known to chefs. Toss until dressing blends with every piece. With this orange, cottage cheese, and grape salad, some will like lemon French dressing, some will like lemon mayonnaise. This salad may be the main course of a supper or luncheon meal. A fruit of many uses, the lemon brings out hidden flavors in fish, meats, beverages, vegetables, and fruits. For decorative garnishes, cut lemon with a sharp knife and scissors into plain or fancy slices. For flavor, offer juice-providing quarters. A sharp knife prepares these quickly. Like salt and pepper, lemon is an essential seasoning. All fish and other seafoods call for lemon tartness. Ah, here comes the tea. Pass the lemon quarters. Lemon with tea, hot or iced, needs nothing else. It's the smart way to serve tea. Iced tea with lemon is as refreshing as a cool breeze on a warm day. A lemon quarter adds tang, freshness, and more vitamin C to tomato juice. Try it with other fruit and vegetable juices. Somehow, melon seems sweeter and more flavorful with a dash of lemon juice. See how easily it is done. This lemon-garnished vegetable plate is a healthful, well-planned main dish for the meatless menu. Serve many like it. Baked potato, spinach, asparagus, carrot strips, and tomato stuffed with cottage cheese. Introduce your family to a surprise. Whip sweet potatoes in orange shells. So easy to make they fit into any meal. Whip the cooked sweet potatoes until fluffy with butter, salt, and plenty of orange juice. It's the day's yellow vegetable. Oranges and sweet potatoes, like butter, proclaim their richness in vitamin A by their yellow color. Thrifty grandmother flavored many of her dishes with orange and lemon peels. It is easy to grate clear-skinned California oranges and lemons on this type of grater. With light strokes, take off just the outer peel, but none of the white. The outer peel holds the oils which give flavor and fragrance. Use grated orange and lemon peel in breads, cakes, pies, sauces, and desserts. With orange juice, orange peel is used here to flavor orange honey nut bread. Lemon meringue pie, Mother's triumph on the kitchen front. Meltingly tender, golden filling, mountains of meringue. The flavor secret is to add freshly squeezed lemon juice to the hot cooked filling as it comes off the stove. A fluted orange cup is easy to make if you do it this way. Divide the fruit in halves by making zigzag cuts to center. Separate and remove meat from shells. You, too, can create a picture like this out of everyday fruit served in this fluted shell. This one adds grapes and apples to the base of orange sections. Another picture with foods. A fluted melon half holding orange sections and melon balls. A grape cluster and leaves complete the study. Fresh orange juice over other fruits, berries, bananas, pears, peaches. Here's a simple, quick-to-serve appetizer or dessert. The sweet spot on the year-round menu is orange ambrosia, orange slices sprinkled with coconut. Some add sugar, but these oranges are sugar-sweet themselves. Would you like a glass of fresh lemonade? First step is to keep plenty of lemons around the house, and a good rule is to buy them by the dozen. 1 lemon to a glass ensures good flavor and puts a lot of vitamin C into this good habit drink. Sweeten to taste and ice till it's frosty. Add lemon slices, mint sprigs if you like, and cherries for color. 1 glass, 2 glasses. Drink all you wish. Plain lemon and water the first thing in the morning is a fine way to drink your daily health. Like Captain Porter's sailors, this modern young woman believes in having her lemon ration every day. Orange juice should always be served full strength and fresh. It loses flavor when it stands. It is easy to prepare on this type of extractor. Serve it every day. It replenishes the vitamin C which the body uses up rapidly and does not store.